Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best steel wool is probably one of the most underrated tools in your arsenal. It's a simple product, but its applications are incredibly diverse. From scrubbing stubborn stains in the kitchen to polishing metal surfaces and even crafting, steel wool offers a level of versatility that's hard to beat. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of steel wool, exploring its uses, advantages, and how to choose the right type for your needs. Number 5. Steel wool scrubber pads for kitchen. Introducing these steel wool scrubber pads, perfect for tackling tough messes. They are designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this product is built to last. The internal spiral structure ensures it won't easily loosen or rust, and it's gentle on your hands. Each scrubber is perfectly sized for a comfortable grip. The design makes it easy to handle and maneuver while cleaning. This product is not just for the kitchen, it's versatile enough for outdoor furniture and garages. It's great for various surfaces, from cookware to grills. These pads effectively remove grease, dirt, and stubborn stains. They will leave your items sparkling clean. Cleaning the scrubbers is simple, just rinse them after use. This ensures they are ready for the next cleaning task. What we like. This product features an ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and use. It effectively removes stubborn stains and is easy to clean, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a scrubber that combines efficiency with ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. They're sturdy and tightly wound, so they don't fall apart while scrubbing, and they handle tough grease and stuck-on food really well. They never rust, so each one lasts a long time. They are great quality, and don't fall apart when you're scrubbing the pots and pans, and they last longer than other scrubbing pads. Number 4. 6-pack Stainless Steel Wool Scrubber. Introducing the Stainless Steel Wool Scrubber. This is perfect for tackling tough messes in your kitchen and bathroom. It's designed to make cleaning easier. Crafted from 410 stainless steel, this scrubber is built to last. You can use it repeatedly without worrying about wear and tear. It's a reliable cleaning tool. Each scrubber measures 3 by 3 by 1.5 inches, and the package includes 6 pieces. The circular design fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to use. Cleaning is a breeze, simply rinse it after each use. The unique design features tightly coiled stainless steel for effective cleaning. This helps to reduce bits caught in the mesh. This is ideal for ovens, grills, pots, pans, and outdoor furniture. The soft and stretchy material ensures it won't hurt your hands while providing superior grip. What we like. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this product is designed for repeated use. Its unique, user-friendly design ensures a superior grip and effective cleaning. If you value durability and versatility in your cleaning tools, you should consider this one. What people say. Stainless steel wool is great for cleaning. It works well on removing rust and other debris. It is great for cleaning the grill. Number 3. OVWO Steel Wool Scrubbers, Heavy-Duty Cleaning. Introducing OVWO Steel Wool Scrubbers. These heavy-duty scrubbers are designed to tackle the toughest cleaning challenges in your home. They make cleaning effortless. Made from high-quality 410 stainless steel, the internal spiral structure is tightly wound. This design prevents them from loosening and rusting, while also being gentle on your hands. Easily remove grease, stubborn burnt-on stains, and grime. These stainless steel scouring pads can handle the toughest household cleaning tasks with ease. It is a great helper for your cleaning. Each package includes 12 individually wrapped scrubbers. The individual wrapping keeps them clean and prevents entanglement. Each one is about 2.76 inches in diameter. Use it in the kitchen, bathroom, outdoor furniture, and garage. They're great for cleaning uncoated cookware, ovens, grills, and more. It is a versatile tool for various cleaning needs. For heavy-duty cleaning, choose OVWO Steel Wool Scrubbers. For lighter tasks, consider OVWO microfiber cloths or scrubbing sponges. They provide a comprehensive cleaning solution. What we like. This product is designed for heavy-duty cleaning, effortlessly removing tough stains. Each scrubber is individually wrapped for hygiene and convenience. If you have challenging cleaning tasks, especially on grills, you should consider this one. What people say. Stainless steel wool works great for removing rust. It is great for cleaning the grill. It is good for cleaning glass. Number 2. Scrub It Stainless Steel Scourers. Introducing the Scrub It Stainless Steel Scourers. These metal mesh scrubbers are designed for the toughest kitchen cleaning tasks. They are a must-have tool for every household. This metal sponge effortlessly removes grease and dirt from your kitchenware, utensils, and cooking appliances. It makes cleaning easier. These scrubbers are made with premium quality materials. They are gentle on your hands while tackling heavy-duty dirt. This makes tough scrubbing a lot easier. Unlike other scouring pads, this one won't rust or develop a bad odor. Just wash it in soapy water after each use. The unique flexible design of this product allows for amazing cleaning. You'll be able to remove all types of dirt without particles getting caught. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. What we like. This product effectively removes grease while being gentle on your hands. It's also rust and odor resistant, ensuring longevity and hygiene. If you like a scrubber that is both effective and long-lasting, you should consider this one. What people say. These scrubbers come in handy for many different cleaning tasks. They work much better than other steel wool pads on the market today and certainly last longer. Makes cleaning pots, pans and dishes quick and easy. Number 1. Brheez Stainless Steel Scouring Pads, 12-pack. These 80-gram scouring pads are designed for tough cleaning jobs. They are perfect for removing stubborn grease and grime in commercial kitchens and other demanding environments. Each pack comes with 12 large stainless steel scrubbers. You can use them on pots, pans, and stainless steel sinks. Buyers love them for cleaning cast iron cookware and barbecue grills. Made with high-quality stainless steel wire, these scrubbers are built to last. They can handle heavy-duty use and resist rust, ensuring they stay reliable for a long time. Each scrubbing pad is individually wrapped for cleanliness. This makes them easy to store and ensures they are always ready for use, maintaining high hygiene standards. Whether you're in an industrial kitchen or cleaning at home, these pads deliver dependable results. They are a must-have for any cleaning arsenal, providing the power you need. What we like. This product offers industrial-grade cleaning power, perfect for tackling tough grease and grime. It's designed for multi-purpose cleaning and is durable and rust-resistant. If you need a heavy-duty cleaning solution for commercial or rigorous household use, you should consider this one. What people say. Perfect for scrubbing stainless steel pots, pans, and even grills. The pad I use to clean my grill has been sitting outside for at least a couple of months. Zero rust on the pad and still cleans great. The large mass of the scouring pad keeps it working over a larger area with no more effort than you would use on a smaller pad, yet covers 3 times the area and is much thicker, so tends to last longer. They also work great for cleaning the grill after a barbecue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.